Hey there, house cleaning business owners. Justin here. Hey, I've been talking to my buddy Adam, who's over in Baltimore, starting a house cleaning business, and he's been kind of struggling with ads and especially Google LSA recently. And I just talked to him about this, and there's a really powerful takeaway that I wanted to share with you guys. Right? So he's got a small budget. He can't afford to have us helping him all the time. So he's trying to do Google LSA. And he went off and kind of handled it on his own. And he was telling me, man, these LSA leads are terrible, Justin. He's like, just terrible. So I asked him what he was doing and if he was actually like marking the leads he was getting through LSA as booked, and if he was getting customer reviews on the platform, right? So basically, to step back for a second, like Google wants you to engage with their tools and use their tools, right? So in LSA is really simple. They want you to mark the calls as booked that were booked, and they want you to get reviews on the platform. This way they know, right? Think about it. They see the data that you're closing deals and you're doing a good job. That's going to build trust with them, and they're going to give you more leads, right? But if you're not marking anything as booked in LSA and you're not getting any reviews on the platform, guess how many leads you're going to get? Possibly even nada, right? Like it's possible to put a budget in there of $6,000 and Google won't spend it if they have zero trust in who you are. I mean, it's Google guaranteed, right? So you got to play the game. You gotta play by Google's rules, period. They're a mountain, you got to climb it. That's just how it is, don't kill the messenger. So it's really important. And some of these same sort of general rules work in all kinds of aspects of the online marketing world, but for LSA specifically, use the tools, mark stuff as booked, get testimonials on there, and you'll be surprised that your cost per lead will actually go down and the number of leads you can get through the platform will go up, and you may even find that the quality of leads that are coming your way through the platform goes up the more that you use and engage with the tools. So don't just pop in there and expect miracles if you're not, running the game. All right. Okay. See you guys. Bye.